Hello everyone, I'm Chef Laterizi, and this is Laterizi's Plate. Today we're going to be working with my garlic sauce. I'm going to show you a dish today with shrimp and linguine, and I'm going to demonstrate also stuffed wings with my brand new garlic sauce. Now today I have a few special guests stopping by, and they're going to come and eat some of this food with us, and also they're going to get to sample some of my brand new garlic sauce. So once they get here, we'll begin.
Hey!
Alright, Joe, how you doing today?
Yeah,
right.
good, man, good.
How you doing, young lady? Nice to meet you. How you doing, young lady? Nice to meet you, young lady. Mike, how you doing, man?
Good.
How are you, man? Doing good today, man. You might have a seat. Y'all feeling today? Good, yeah. Got a good ride coming in? Yeah. Alright, so I got some treats for y'all. I got a few surprises as well. So today, we're going to be doing the shrimp linguine. I might get a few of you guys to come up and help me. And then the special, we have stuffed wings. I'm not going to tell you what the stuff is, so you have to wait for it. Alright, how that sound to y'all?
Sound good.
Alright, so we're going to get started, right? Alright. Start out with shrimp linguine with our summer Bentley mix. First, we're gonna start with some butter. It's quite simple. Throw some butter right in there. Let that go. Just want to coat the pan. So now we got the shrimp in there. And you really want to let this go for about 5 minutes. You know, anything longer than that, the shrimp will get rubbery, so you don't really need to cook this for that long. Alright, so now I'm going to prepare the rest of the special wings I have, the special stuffed wings, which is stuffed with lump crab and also mac and cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and get these going. And then gently. That's all we doing. See this one, this has the lump king crab in it. Real big chunks. Alright, good to go. Don't be afraid of the grease, don't hurt it. One more. Alright, so we'll let that go. Alright, so now shrimp is cream is good. You want to take a look. That's that nice opaque color that you're looking for. Go ahead and add your vegetable mix. In there now. We'll let that go for a few. But while that's going, we're going to add my new garlic sauce to it. Add a little squeeze in there. Like I said, my sauce will insinuate any dish. Mix that around. I'd like to show this now. We're going to let that go for about 5 minutes, and then we'll add our pasta. Alright, so now we got a pretty good color. It's going pretty well. Now we're just going to add our linguine to it. These are great quick recipes. You know, long day at work, you come home. These are all 15-20 minute recipes. They don't take long at all. But it's big flavor. More garlic sauce to it. Just add more. Go. Mix that in. Turn it up. Alright. Once she's good to go, you're gonna bring it down. Just let it simmer. Let it go. Add a little parsley to it, a little color, a little garnish. Yeah. Shrimp garlic linguine. A lot of reason. Alright, now we're ready to plate up. Ladies, y'all ready to eat?
Yes.
the chef.
You know, take me
Yes.
home. How about that?
You deserve it.
Yes. Give me a nice
Yeah.
one.
Delicious.
All right, guys.
All right.
Hey.
Hey. To the chef. To the chef.
Ah. Burns good.
Perfect compliment.
Yes. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That was amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being a part of this. I appreciate it.
Thank you for
I
having
enjoyed it.
us.
Yes. Great.
Shoot, give it up for him. Clap for him.
Yeah.
Roy. That's right. Yeah, people call me Rasta when I roll up in them papers. Paranoia itching, feeling like you got the vapors. I just be relaxing, put my brother up for mayor. No free time, a state of mind, and keep the mothers off them prayers. Treated like a layer, way too easy, I reverse it. Women nowadays are all the same, even the forest. When I die, I need 2 other hearses for myself and I. Family over everything, I Columbine with just my mind. Some days I might use my all the time. I'm in my take for granted. Why you think I'm always to my know yourself and not much of that picture work. Shit ain't perfect, all we need is growth and smoke a lot of earth. That shit won't hurt. Must be drunk, your vision blurred. Kool-Aid on your power surge from some hoods that were no good. Did some dirt but understood. Yeah, and now I'm rolling that weed up. 10 to 6, I'm at work. Pay vacation, we need it from out the soul where I bleed it. We got it, still won't believe it. On tour, a hella agenda. Shout out my fam in Virginia. Start on beginner, we always played on all Madden. I gotta keep me a stash and recognize what I don't have. I'm just speaking through math, it's equilateral, you mad?